Tesla is a company that's constantly pushing the boundaries of innovation and technology, but there are ways in which they could improve and become an even better company. So here are 20 ways Tesla could improve. Number one, expand its charging infrastructure. Tesla should invest in expanding it to make it more convenient for customers to charge their vehicles, and they are. Every day, there are more locations with more handles going out into the world. Currently, there's about 100 cars for every one supercharger stall, but most people charge at home, so it's not really an issue, but they are expanding. Number two, improve customer service. Tesla should focus on improving its customer service to ensure that customers have a positive experience when interacting with the company. And this one is a bit pricklier. They don't always do that. I've never had a problem, but then again, I've never needed to contact them for these things. I've had good luck. I've met people who work at the service centers and they do a great job, but it could always be better. Number three, increase production capacity. Yeah, Tesla should increase its capacity to meet the growing demand for its vehicles, and they are. We know of the plans in Mexico, we know of the plans in Germany, and we know of some tentative plans in other places, including Texas, where they'll build the Model 2 or compact, if you will, and also in Shanghai, but others are expected to be announced as well. Number four, reduce production costs. Yeah, they should work on reducing their production costs to make its vehicles even more affordable, which they are. The compact is expected to be around $25,000. This has been confirmed and reiterated. We just need to get those factories built. Number five, improve vehicle quality. Yeah, Tesla should focus on improving the quality of its vehicles to reduce the number of recalls and customer complaints, and they are. That's a never ending quest. It's something they're always working on and doing a pretty good job. The objective is to have no issues, and with so few moving parts, they do a pretty good job, and it can only get better as they grow and learn more lessons. Number six, expand its product line. Yeah, if they include more affordable and practical vehicles, if they include more types of vehicles, if they include vans or small trucks or compacts or hatchbacks or all of the other things that sell on the market, they can, sell them. We know the compact is well designed, designed enough that they could submit plans for the factory's construction, so this should happen fairly soon. Number seven, improve its software. Tesla already has industry leading software, but they could always provide a little better experience. Most customers don't complain. Most really great ideas find their way into production, but there are still some parts that could be better. Not having a 360 bird's eye camera has been a common complaint, but others like improving FSD from beta into robotaxi would be amazing. Number eight, increase its focus on sustainability. Well, if they're already doing very good things with sustainability, but you could always do more solar on more factory roofs, more solar canopies, especially over new supercharger locations, more megapacks to smooth the grid. All of these steps towards sustainability plus recycling would go a long way to making new customers possibly happy and existing customers a little bit happier still. Number nine, expand its presence in emerging markets. If they do that, they could tap into new markets, increase their customer base. And you look at a company like Toyota, they're in something like 130 markets, while Tesla's only in something like 60 to 90. There's a lot of room to improve on that front. Number 10, increase its investment in research and development. Tesla should do that. They should stay ahead of the competition, continue to innovate, remain that moving target. As a percentage of their revenue, it is a good amount, but compared to other car companies, they spend far less on R&D, and it's something that they will expand as best they're able, but it's something they could do to improve. Number 11, improve its supply chain management. Tesla can do that to reduce their risk of supply chain disruptions. Tesla is uniquely vertically integrated in ways most companies are not. BYD would be the exception. This allows them opportunities to move in ways that others can't. When there was a chip shortage during the pandemic, they were able to ask not when can we get what we ordered, but what do you have, and then use their in-house capabilities to write new firmware for 19 different chips just so they could keep cars rolling off the line. But if they move more of these in-house, more of these products, more of these parts and supplies, it reduces the impact of shipping disruptions, of supply disruptions, and it could make things just a little bit better. Number 12, increase the focus on safety. I mean, it's kind of a crazy idea. You would think they're already there, having the safest cars of every class that they're in, but they could always do a little better, and that's something they're always working on. That's not unique to Tesla. All companies are trying to do it. It's just that Tesla is doing it a bit better than others. Number 13, improve its marketing strategy. Tesla should improve the strategy to reach a wider audience, and they are. Just last week, we saw announcements that they are now advertising on Facebook. That was considered a crazy idea not that long ago, but the reality is there are people on Facebook who are not on YouTube or not on Twitter, or X if you will. They are not there. You have to reach the customer where they are if you're going to advertise. Number 14, increase its focus on customer retention. And again, you can do this with excellent service and support. Customer retention is already very high, something like over 80%, but it could be a little higher. Find out what it is about those customers who do change brands, and if you can get them back, or how you can prevent those numbers from falling any further. This is a way Tesla could improve. Number 15, improve its financial performance. Tesla should work on improving that to increase shareholder value, attract more investors, and especially the institutional investors who are all significantly underweight on Tesla. As more of those move into the stock, it gives less float available for others, and it drives up the price. It just increases the demand. The financial performance is something they're absolutely focused on, but you could always focus a little more, I guess. Number 17, Tesla could expand its partnerships with other companies, increase its reach, tap into new markets, license things like FSD if possible, at least autopilot, make arrangements to get your motors, your batteries, your BMS systems, the battery management systems, into other car companies' cars. Why make them spend $1 billion making a second-rate product when they could just license the tech? Even if it's current gen tech while Tesla's working on the next gen, it could be a good opportunity for Tesla to expand their footprint, make themselves more indispensable in the market, and increase revenue all around. Number 18, Tesla could improve its corporate governance. Tesla could improve it to increase transparency and accountability. Now, I believe that the board of directors is perfectly qualified, but some investors don't share that view, especially newer investors who are feeling the crunch of having purchased at over $300 and seeing the stock significantly lower than that. A move like this would not likely have any tangible benefits, but it could certainly improve the perception among investors. And before I get to the last two, a quick word to subscribe if you haven't. Subscribing is the best way to show your support, other than, of course, financially. So do that if you wouldn't mind. Or if you're already subscribed, double check and make sure you're subscribed. YouTube tends to unsubscribe people. And if we just had everybody subscribed, we'd be over 100,000 subscribers already, and that would be a magical milestone. So I thank you. Number 19, increase its focus on social responsibility. Tesla should focus on social responsibility just to improve their reputation, to attract socially conscious customers, even socially conscious employees and engineers. These are a big part of the market, and it'd be better if they didn't feel ignored. Whether or not they are today is up for debate. I would say they are not. I would say the sustainable focus and socially responsible approach is already there, but some don't share that view, and there you go. And number 20, expand its business model. Yeah, new revenue streams, diversify your business. You know, things like Megapack. They're already doing that. It's already churning billions of dollars with another factory coming online soon in Shanghai. If this product works as well as we believe it does, if the margin is as fat as we believe it is, then there's no reason they shouldn't move forward and create additional megafactories. Trademark Rebellionaire. Thank you, Bradford, for that clever little portmanteau. Create these megapack factories all over the world, one in every continent. Why not? Everyone needs them, and they're great products. It's a great way to expand the business, to diversify a bit, and to move the world more quickly towards a sustainable future. What did I miss? What did I misunderstand? Leave it in the comments. Which one's your favorite and which ones did I forget? How could Tesla do better?